Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting exponential maths olympiad question, which is a to the power a is equal to 16, a is equal to what? So how to solve this interesting maths problem? So I solve this question is a method. If you think a is equal to 1, this time you can say easily 1 to the power 1, because of that a to the power a, it is less than 16. Now, if you think a is equal to 2, so 2 to the power 2 is also less than 16. Because of that, 2 to the power 2, this is 4. But at this moment, if you think a is equal to 3, so 3 to the power 3, I mean a to the power a, is always greater than 16. Because of that, this is 27. Now, at this moment, you can see this a is always greater than 2 and less than 3. Now I solve this interesting maths problem. So our question, our math solution, which is a to the power a is equal to 16. Now I use both side natural log. This is ln a to the power a is equal to ln 16. I use both side ln. Now I just move on this a in this side. Because of that, natural log a to the power r, which is r log a. If I apply this math formula here, so this expression, it will be a ln a is equal to ln 16. Now I want to apply here is Lambert W function. So you know that Lambert W function x e to the power x, which is x. If I apply this math formula here, so you need here a, this is ln. So ln this a, you can say easily e to the power ln a is equal to a. If I apply this math formula here, so this a, it will be e to the power ln a is equal to ln 16. Now at this moment I use both side Lambert W function. Because of that, this both are same. So if I use both side Lambert W function, ln a e to the power ln a is equal to Lambert W function ln 16. I use both side Lambert W function. Now if I apply this math formula, it will be x, so it will be ln a is equal to Lambert W function. This is ln 16. Now what is the value of a in this case? So we know that e to the power ln a is equal to a, so I use both side e to the power ln a is equal to e to the power Lambert W function ln 16. Now at this moment you can say e to the power ln a is equal to a, but this is e to the power Lambert W function ln 16. Now at this moment, if I use calculator, we'll find out a, which is 2.74536. If I use calculator, so we'll find out this is our final answer, which is a is equal to e to the power Lambert W function ln 16, which is 2.74536. This is our final answer in this exponential expression. Thank you all. If you enjoy this math problem, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care everyone.